What is up, beautifuls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or of course welcome if you are new. If you are new, then hi, welcome. I'm Finn, and in today's video I am so excited. I've been meaning to film this for well over a month, and I don't know what happened. I just procrastinated my way through December and I didn't film it. So as you can see by the title, in today's video we are going to be having a dive in and a look at the new, I say new, I've had it for a month now, but it's still relatively new, XXREVOLUTION Reflexxion palette in the shade Mystique, one or the other. I've never used XXREVOLUTION products, ever. When they first came out, loads of my YouTube friends did it, but I just didn't. It was quite expensive. But this was on offer. It was meant to be £12 for a £9 eyeshadow, which is so dear. Like, for Revolution, I think that's really expensive. £12 for a £9 is pretty hefty. But it was actually reduced to £6, which I'm not mad about. That's actually quite good. So, without further ado, if this is something that interests you, then please keep on watching. Right, my base is completely done. I have just finished that. And why am I so uncomfy today? And all we've got left is the eyeshadow. I'm not going to put on a primer with this. You guys know the drill. If it doesn't work without a primer, then it doesn't work. I'm joking. It probably would work with a primer, but still, I'm not using one. Here is the box that it comes in. I think it is beautiful. The only thing that I was actually a bit disappointed with, not disappointed because I bought it like it, but I just think the front is a bit bland. Like, Revolution, you're normally on it with your packaging and it's just silver with some speckles. Yeah, the box is stunning though. I absolutely love the box. Then you've got the back. The back states clearly that there are 4 pressed pigments as opposed to just eyeshadow. And then on the front here, you have the XX logo. But other than that, it's quite a bland package. I wish they'd have put the back on the front. That would have been a bit more bougie, I guess. But we're not here for the packaging. We're here for the content on the inside. So let's open her up and show you what stunning palette this is. Oh my god, it is actually more beautiful than what I remember. So here is the palette. I have put my finger in this one because I've had it for over a month and I couldn't help myself. But it is a very, very purple schemed palette, which you guys know. Apparently I love purple makeup. I love this colour here. It looks like it's going to be so pigmented. So do you know what? Let's swatch them all. Let's just do it. Right, here is the top row. Oh wow, actually, that black is really nice. I never dig my fingers right in for a swatch because I want it... Oh, that's pretty. I want it to be more like how they would look on your eye. That's very pretty as well. It's very shimmery. So yeah, that is more of like a highlight colour, but I reckon for an inner corner highlight, that would be popping. That would be really pretty. Here's the cream. That's quite a nice pigmented cream, actually. Most creams don't show up on camera. That's really pretty. This is the lilac. Probably buildable. Yeah, it's buildable. Very shimmery. Let's try the black. You never know with blacks because cheap palettes. That's a nice black. Hello. We're on to my favourite row, which has that beautiful deep purple and the pink shimmer. So let's swatch these. Here we go. Purple. Oh, it's pretty. It's a little bit 2D, to be honest. I feel like it looks a lot more like deep in the pan. The shimmer looks stunning though. Very pretty. And then the last colour we've got is this gorgeous dusty pink shimmer. So let's pop this on. That is beautiful. I absolutely love that. That is going on my face today. I also absolutely love the mirror. Not that you guys can see very well, but the mirror is huge. I'm going to take that creamy colour. I'm just going to pack that all over my lid for the time being. Oh, I actually love this. It's actually pigmented. Thank you, Lord. Legend. Yeah, I actually really like that. You can't really see in the camera, but I really like that. I have got an idea. Let me go get some stabilisers. I am going to take an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take some of that black shade and put on some kind of liner, but only on the bottom. This is going to be a game of trust the process, but I've done this a few times before and it actually looks quite cool after. So just bear with me. That's on. I'm going to be taking that dark purple bluey kind of shade and blending that out up here. There's a little bit of kickback, nothing horrendous though. Oh, I love that. That seems to blend so nicely. Why have I not tried this brand? Okay, I'm going to take that beautiful purple shade and I'm packing that in my outer corner to really make it pop. Bit of kickback, but it's not horrendous. And the pigment is there. Oh, you legend. Let's pack it a bit more up as well. Also guys, if you've done your base and then you're going to do your eyeshadow after, a little bit of tape can help with the fallout so it doesn't mess up your highlight. I'm also going to bring that right into the corner, but we are going to be cutting it and going with that shimmer on top. I'm going in with a fluffy brush. I'm just going to try and blend it up and out a little bit, but it doesn't really matter because I want quite a bold look anyway, so I might take some of that cream shade and just blend it out a little bit. I absolutely love these colours, I love them. I'm also going to go back in with that black and just build up the eyeline a little bit. Just a bit more, so that when we take the tape off it is nice and dark. Right, this might be a little bit weird, a little bit different, but I really want to go in with the pink glitter in my inner corner rather than a highlight. So I'm going to take some of the pink glitter and pop that in my inner corner. And I'm really happy that I did that. That's a really pretty colour. I might even go under my brow bone with that, do you know? So, let me just peel this tape off. And we're left with a perfect line, which makes me so happy. Blend that tiny bit up a bit, because I've had a little bit of fallout, but nothing horrendous. And now I'm going to go off camera really quickly. I'm going to cut it with some concealer and some Vaseline, and I will be right back. See you in a sec. Right guys, I'm back. I've done both eyes. I've cut the crease with some Vaseline. No, I didn't. I cut the crease with some concealer, so that is what we're looking like at the moment. I now need to go over the top with the shimmer shade that I really can't wait to try, and then do my under eye, and I think we're pretty much done. So far, that is what the eye is looking like. Obviously, I've cut the crease. I will blend that back in, but that's what we're looking like so far. Want to take this middle shade and pop it all over because I just feel like it's so pretty. And let's see if it works with a brush. Just going to pop that on that eye and then we're going to blend it back in properly so it's not quite like that. I'm going to take my handy dandy detailer brush. I love this brush. I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of purple, like the tiniest bit, and just blend that into that a little bit better. I'm really happy with that. I'm now going to do my lower lash line. I'm going to take some of the deep purple and blend that into the middle half, blending it out into a pink. Right guys, I'm just going to go off camera again really quickly, pop on some mascara, some lips, and I will be right back for a final reveal. I'll see you in a sec. Right guys, and this is the final look using the XXREVOLUTION Reflexxion Mystique palette. I absolutely love that. I can't believe the pigment payoff for a £6 palette. I know it was meant to be 12, but at the moment they're 6, and you never know, they might still stay 6 after the sale. So I'll just zoom you in, but I am impressed, guys. I'm so happy with that. Just the colours, the blend, the pigment. I'm a little bit wowed. I say a little bit, I'm really wowed. I wish I'd have picked up the other palettes now, because I reckon that they're all probably like this well pigmented. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you are new here and you haven't yet done so, consider subscribing down below. I'm on the way to 1500. I'd really appreciate it. So have a great day guys, great evening, great day, whatever you're on. Stay safe, stay happy, stay smiling, and I can't wait to see you in the next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye.